You need to think about what you're doing, Molebogeng.
Akho ndifuna ucingwa apha. Kwalena usabambelele ntoni? Ngoba mna andifuna uqhatha, andisakwazi uyenza into yokuphila kabini.
Do you really expect me to just walk away? After everything we've been through, why are you pushing me to a corner? You have too much to lose by walking away from me.
Khawuthi njengantoni? Inkululeko yam?
What are you talking about now?
No, ndiyabuza ngoba ingathi andikhokrisa. Uthi mandihlale nawe. Uzogcina iimfihlo zam. Yes. Andiqondi yaqonda idombo lithweleyo. Elityalo lelethu. Izandikhumbuze le page otyhile kuyo namhlanje. John. Wawunam ngala mina ndibulala mntanam.
Oh, so now that's what you're doing. Do you know what your problem is, Molly? You've never been loved the way that I love you. And you don't know how to handle it. That's why you think everyone has an ulterior motive. A person shows you love and you're immediately suspicious. You think they're out to get you and suck you dry until you want to give up on life. Have you been with me because you're trying to make sure your secret is safe? I want nothing from you except for your heart. I want to love you, damn it. No one can make you feel the way that I do, Molly. I've seen how you look at me. Your eyes can't lie. I'm fine to break up, but let's have a proper goodbye. I want you to remember me for years to come. I want to give it to you the way that no one else ever would. What was I supposed to do? I was standing up for myself, standing up for us. Why do you keep acting like you're on your own? You're not alone in this. My family is also furious with me. I've been asking you to tell my brother about us for days. I was trying to free you from the burden of these lies.
Jonah, kaphinde usixelele loo nto ke.
What should I have done? Stand there and watch the woman I love suffer? I am an honorable man. I couldn't do that.
Indoda elungileyo ayilali nengoduso yomntu akokwabo.
Did I force you to sleep with me? Molly, if you want to blame me for what we both did, that's fine. But you enjoyed it, every minute of it, just like I did. I saw you enjoyed it. I watched you promising me things that now you're here.
Uyazibona andithethi kwaloo nto yena. Into ebendiyithetha bendisithi bhuti ngowuvale lo mlomo wakho.
So what we had meant nothing to you. That's what you're trying to tell me. And I've lost my family for nothing.
Oh! Jonga, azange ndikunyanzele entweni mna. Kumele into zakho ube yindoda.